If there's a folder you access frequently on your laptop or PC, you can pin it to the quick action section so that anytime you open your file explorer, you can always access that folder without searching through other folders in a particular basic folder. In this video, let's learn how to do that. Alright, the first step you need to take is to open your file explorer. And here, look at mine here, so I'll click on it. As the file explorer opens, you'll be on the home. Alright, look at the home tab here, the home major folder. Let's put it that way. Then the next step is to take a look at this side. This side is what we call the quick access area. Okay, so I'm going to select a folder here, click on a folder here that contains the folder I want to pin here. So I'll click on downloads. So once you get to the folder that contains the folder you want to pin on this quick access, so that you can easily access that folder without having to scroll down every time you want to access it. All right. So once you get there, scroll down until you get to that particular folder. All right. So look at this folder here named second channel. I'm tired of going down this place anytime I want to access it. Okay, so I want to pin it to this side so that it will permanently pin here. So what you need to do is to click on that folder first for it to be selected, and then right click on it. You will see some options that are here. Select pin to quick access. So immediately select pin to quick access, you can see it has appeared here, second channel. So anytime I open my file explorer again, it will be in that quick access area. So you can see I've opened my file explorer. If I want to access it, I'll just click on it and I can pick the file I want to pick or use the file I want to use for any purpose of my choice. If this guide helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. You can check out this video here to learn how to use your laptop more effectively. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.